Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add bags on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier Airlines if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom screen, as you can see, we have the Home tab where you can go and book your flights. We have Book a Flight where you also can go and book a flight, and we have your trips where you can go and see all of your tickets and everything, flight status, and the more in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add bags on Frontier Airlines. So first of all, go to the Frontier Airlines, of course, website or of course the application, and then navigate to My Trip section, which is on the middle here. Put in your confirmation code and your last name to find the flight where you want to add bags to. Once you exit your booking, choose the option to add bags from the available choices. Then select the type and number of bags you want to go and add. For example, carry-on, checked bag, etc. Then follow the steps to confirm your choice and proceed with the payment if necessary. You can also add bags when you check in online within 24 hours of departure. If you need further assistance, you can go and call the Frontier Airline customer support at 801 then 401 9000. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.